This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit Sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we will quickly demonstrate how to install Snap Fasteners using the W-1 Hand Press Snap Fastener 4-piece die set. Use this die set to quickly and easily install standard line 24 Snap Fasteners. This 4-piece die set contains all the dies you need to install sockets, buttons, eyelets, and studs. Installing Snap Fasteners with a W-1 Hand Press is easy. These dies install Snap Fasteners in just one step, no hole cutting required. Remove the nylon cutting block and unscrew the upper head of the W-1. We will now install the eyelet and stud dies into the tool to set these components. Insert the eyelet die in the bottom of the press and screw the stud die in the top of the press. Be sure to tighten down the screw on the right hand side of the press when installing bottom dies. Now, Bill will attach the stud in the top die. This die will hold the stud in place. Then he will place the eyelet in the lower die. We will now place our fabric on top of the eyelet and die and position it so it lines up with our marked fabric. Once in place, simply push down on the handle until you feel a firm pressure and your snap is set. We will now install another eyelet and stud in a matter of seconds. You can see how quick and easy it is to install Snap Fasteners with the W-1 Hand Press. Remove the eyelet and stud dies and install the socket and button dies. The socket portion snaps onto the top of the threaded die, with the concave portion facing down. The button is placed in the lower die with the barrel facing up, as it is here. We will now install. Use the Allen wrench to lock the lower die in place. We will then line our marked fabric up with the lower button die. Once in place, push down on the handle until you feel a firm pressure and your snap is set. Again, we will install a second socket and button fastener to display just how fast the W-1 Hand Press is when coupled with the Snap Fastener 4-piece die set. After completing the installation of our sockets, buttons, eyelets, and studs, we are ready to snap the two sides together. The line 24 Snap Fasteners beautifully snap to one another. Sailrite carries a variety of Snap Fastener components that you might need for your next DIY project. Speed up your production and increase accuracy using the W-1 Hand Press Snap Fastener 4-piece die set. If you have any questions about these products or this process, feel free to contact Sailrite. Thanks for watching.